How can I find the stock prices of multiple securities over a period of time?
Well, watch this video to find out. Use G. It's a function code for the chart library that lets you create and maintain your own library of charts on one or more securities. G also allows you to export a chart and the raw data underneath to Excel very easily. Here's how to create a custom chart with G. On the Bloomberg screen, go to the command line. Type in G. A menu listing will appear with suggested choices. Under Functions, select G, My Graphs and Maps. On the My Graphs and Maps screen, click Create Graph from the toolbar to open the Chart Wizard. The Chart Wizard provides step-by-step instructions to create charts using Bloomberg. As a search example, we will find the stock prices of Intel and AMD over the last 5 years. First, select Standard Chart. Then click the Next button. The selected chart settings and options window has appeared. In the security field, enter INTC, the ticker for Intel. A drop-down menu will appear. Select INTC US Equity. Next, click the Add Security button. In the security field, enter AMD. Select AMD US Equity. In the Data Series field, the default is the last price. You can change it to something else if necessary. You can also adjust the data frequency using the Period field. The choices include daily, monthly, quarterly, yearly, etc. In this example, let's change the frequency to monthly. After you finish defining the securities and data you want to chart, click Next to continue. You can add as many other additional technical studies to the chart as you want. After finishing, click Next to continue. You can also add company event information to the chart, such as dividends and earning calls. After finishing, click Next to continue. Here, choose the themes you want for the chart. In this example, use the current theme, then click Finish. In this dialog box, you can give the graph a title. After finishing, click Open Chart. This is the generated chart. Now, select 5Y to view the chart for the 5 most recent years. Great! You now have a chart with the stock prices of Intel and AMD over the 5 years selected. To get the data in Excel, right-click on an empty space of the chart. Then move the mouse over the Copy Export options. After that, choose Copy Data to Clipboard. Then open Excel and click the Paste button. Excellent! You now have the stock prices of Intel and AMD over the last 5 years in Excel. If you would also like to have an image of the chart in Excel, go back to Bloomberg. Right-click on an empty space of the chart. Then move the mouse over the Copy Export options. Choose Copy Image to Clipboard. Then open Excel and click the Paste button. Great job! You now have the price data and price chart of Intel and AMD in Excel. The Bloomberg chart is pretty cool. If you need further assistance, please contact Bloomberg or the HKUST library.